What is probability? Let us start off with a question. What is the probability of getting head on the roll of a fair die? Throwing dice, we get the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. We can't get head. The probability is 0. Probability of 0 means there is a 0% chance of the event occurring. That is, it is an impossible event. Okay, we will go to another example. What is the probability of getting natural number on the roll of a fair die? No matter how the die is rolled, we will get a number from 1 to 6. All are natural numbers. The probability is 1. Definitely we will get a natural number on the roll of a fair die. On the other hand, the probability of 1 means there is a 100% chance of the event occurring. There is a certain or sure event. From the above two concepts, I am going to give you an important point. The probability of every event will lie between 0 and 1 inclusive. What is probability? Let us use the notation P to represent the probability. P is equal to number of ways an event can occur over the total possible events. To understand this concept, let us go through some examples. The following 3 methods are the most common problems seen in the exams. Toss of a fair coin, it can either a head or tail. If we toss of a fair coin, what is the probability that it will land on head? We are just tossing one coin. What is the probability that he will get a head? What is the number of ways of the getting head is equal to 1. What are the total possible events we can get a head or tail? There are 2 in total. So, probability of getting head is equal to 1 by 2, which is 50%. What is the probability of getting tail? P of t is equal to 1 by 2, which is also 50%. Now, let us look at a case of fair die. If we roll a fair die, that will land 1 to 6. What is the probability that the die will land an odd number? There are 3 ways in which we can got an odd number. Probability of getting odd number is equal to 3 by 6, which is 50%. Similarly, probability of getting even number is equal to 3 by 6, which is also 50%. Let us assume a pack of 52 cards. If we pick a random card from this pack, what is the probability that we will pick a jack? How many jacks are there in the pack? Four jacks, 1 in each suit. Probability of getting jack card is equal to 4 over 52. What is the probability of getting a face card? There are king, queen, jack, each of the 4 suits. So in total there are 12 cards. Probability of getting face card is equal to 12 divided by 52. Thank you.